ensuring that you're in a comfortable position. Allow your eyes to gently close, and don't control your breathing, but naturally just drop your attention slowly down your body to your heart. Just connect with your heart for a moment. And then bring your attention slowly down to your belly. And you'll find your breathing becomes slower and lower all by itself. And I wonder if you can just get a sense of that pause point right at the end of the breath, just before you breathe back in. How everything becomes a little still, peaceful and calm in that moment. And using the power of your imagination, I'd like you to imagine that you are in the most beautiful garden. The sun is shining. There's a deep blue sky. And you can see beautiful greenery, plants, colored flowers. Maybe you can hear birdsong and a gentle breeze rustling through the plants and also caressing your skin. And you can feel your body just beginning to relax on a deeper level by being in nature. There's a seat for you to recline on, or you can gently lie down on the grass and feel held by the earth, feel grounded, feeling connected. The choice is yours. And as you lay there in this beautiful garden, the energy of the plants and the earth is being drawn into your body to heal, to release tension, and to help you let go of anything you're holding on to. Each in-breath draws the energy in, and as you breathe out, you can feel anything you're holding on to dissipating and disappearing into the air. Just being aware of any tension around your crown, around your forehead and back of your head, releasing as you breathe out. The muscles behind your left eye and right eye slowly melting, your eyes sinking deeper into their sockets with each breath. You can feel your cheekbones and jaw unclenching shoulders dropping. Releasing your burdens into this garden. Moving down to your chest and becoming aware of your heart area and tuning into your heart, calling forth a feeling of love and gratitude for yourself and for the work you're doing today. And I wonder if you can get a sense of your energy field that permeates your whole body, that makes up your consciousness. If you get a sense of your energy, you may experience a prickling sensation, a brightening, a lightness that extends all the way through you and around you. And don't worry if you can't. Don't try to make this happen. Just be open to getting a sense of your energy. Which as you breathe in, you can feel expand around you. And as you breathe out, comes closer. And if you are experiencing that, I wonder what else you notice about your energy. As your body releases tension, you can feel yourself opening, like a flower that was closed throughout the night. And as the sun begins to rise in the morning, there's a loosening, a release, and then an opening. And you can feel yourself expanding into your environment, way beyond your body. And that tension releasing down to your stomach, all the way down your spine, all the way to your waist, slowly down your legs to your feet. Down your arms, all the way down to your hands and fingers. With each breath, feeling your whole body and energy begin to expand and contract. And just being aware of your energy now, expanding into your surroundings. There's no boundaries. There's no lines. Your energy It's like an ocean of awareness. Everything you're experiencing is happening within it. And as you connect with your awareness, moving beyond your thinking mind, so you're just experiencing. Just sensing. Your consciousness, the truth of who you are, can reveal itself to you. Almost like an epiphany, an awakening, remembering who you are. With an intention to know the truth. And you can say to yourself, I'm awakening. And feel your energy respond. I'm awakening. I'm awakening. And I wonder what sensations you experienced with your intention to know who you are, who you truly are. If your mind naturally creates a story for you to become focused on with thoughts, just gently shift your attention back to the sensation of your energy, of your body. And let those thoughts go. There's a deep truth within you. And this type of meditation can help you begin to experience that truth. Get a glimpse of who you are before your mind tries to tell you who you are. And you can ask that question. Who am I? Before thought tells me who I am. And get a sense of what you experience before your mind comes up with your labels, your identity, your beliefs. And then when you're ready, I'd like you to take a good look around your garden, knowing you can come back here at any time to reconnect with nature, let go of anything you're holding on to, and explore the truth of who you are. If you're ready to come back, then give yourself a wonderful inner smile and open your eyes. And I wonder what you'll take from today's practice into your day. If you would like to experience longer, deeper versions of these types of meditations, then please scroll down in the show notes and you'll find the Mindset Change Another Level podcast link there for you to click and follow. And I look forward to meeting you there. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.